Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, a four-star Sudoku in the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, December the 12th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the three-star Sudoku. So three puzzles are left. The binary, jigsaw Sudoku, aka tectonic. In Dutch, they call it cyberblock. In Japanese, suguru. But you are interested in this one. Yes, it's the Four Stars Sudoku. Four Stars Sudoku number 9738. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. The Four Star Sudoku in the additional has always 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for Four Stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a Four Stars puzzle? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 2 twos. We have here 3 twos. 3 threes. We have here 2 fours. 4 fives. Well, how about the sixes? 2 sixes. 3 sixes. 3 sevens. And 1 8 and 1 9. So the fives are in majority. Can I start with the fives? Let me see. Well. Yes. In this big square, we have 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 in these 3 boxes. We have 5 in the second row, no 5 in those 3 boxes. So 2 boxes are left in this big square for the number 5. Could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 5 now, need to wait. How about the number? Need a 6 here, need a 1 here, 1 1. I need a 7 there. 6. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1 and 6. We have a 1 and a 6 in the first row, so no 1 and 6 in these 3 boxes. 1 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 6 goes there. So what are the other 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2, 4, 8. 2, 4, 8. Okay, cannot fill this yet. 3 and the 9. Yeah, 2 missing numbers now in the first row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in the in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Need a 9 here. Need a 3 there. Alright, 9, 7. Need a 7 here. Need a 9 here. Need a 2 there. Interesting 2. Need a 1 here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 7. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers in this row are the numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9. And look, we have 7 and a 9 in this column, so no 7 and 9 in this box. 7 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in this column, second column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. So 1 is left in this row for number 8. Right. Need a 7 here. Come on, come on. Come on. Need an 8 here. 9, 9. Need a 9 there. 5, 1, 1. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 1. We have 1 in this last row. No 1 in these 2 boxes. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in this last row, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the last column, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column, so the column 3. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the second column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1. Cannot continue with the 1 now, need to wait. Okay, and now need a 5 here. 5, 5, 5. All right, 6, 6. Need a 7 here. Need a 7. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in this row. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 in that column, no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be here. 7. Need 7 there. Need 7 there. Okay. Well. Think. 5, 9. Need a 9 there. Yeah. Need a 2 there. Come on. Need a 6 there. Need a 6 here. Yeah. In this column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this column is the number 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 in this column could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 6 in the last row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for 6 should be here. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. Okay. And now. Come on. I'm waiting. 3. 3 in this column, last column. 3 in the column next. So that column, the only place level 3 should be there. 3 in this row. 3 in the row below. So last row, the only place level 3 should be there. 3. Okay. 3. Need a 7 here. Come on. 2, 3. Well, in this last row, we have 4 missing numbers. In the last row, 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 7. We have 2 and a 7 in this big square, so no 2 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. 2 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 2 numbers left in the last row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, and the 4 is missing, 1 and 4, 1 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, okay. So we have a 4 in the last row. 4 in one of those two boxes in the row above. From that row, only 2 places left. The 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the third column. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in the third column. 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left. The 4 it should be there. So 2 numbers left. The 2 and the 8 then. 2 and the 8. Okay. 9 and 8, okay. How about, need a 2 there. 1, 3, need a 4 here. Well, need a 4 there. Well, I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 in one of those two boxes in the last column, so no 5 there. 5 should be there, okay. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. 2 missing numbers here. The 5 and 8 are missing in this row. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in the fifth column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 5 or an 8, we have a 5 now, so this box should be an 8. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next, so that column, the only place level 8 should be there. 2, 7. I need a 4 here. And I need a 2 and a 7. And I need a 9 here. In this big square, we need a 9. We have a 9 in the third row, so no 9 in these two boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, 9. 2 missing numbers now in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. Let me mark those two boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. Let me mark those two boxes. So here, the other pair should be the 2 and the 7. We have a 7 in the third row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 1 box left now in this big square for number 2. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 7 in the third row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Then, let me see. 2 and 8, we have an 8 now in the third column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 2 goes there. I need a 2 there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left, the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in the first column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 7 goes there. Mark those two boxes earlier with a 7. We have a 7 in the first column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 1 box left now in the first column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing here. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. Okay. Come on. Need a 2 here. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the third row. No 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in the second row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 3 in the middle column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. I need a 3 here. Okay. 4 and a 1. We have a 4 now in the middle column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for 1 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 9 and 8, we have 8 now in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column. The only place left for 9 should be there. 2 and 9, we have 9 now in the middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and 3, we have a 2 now in the second row, so no, in the middle row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in the middle row for numbers 4 and 6. 4 and 6, we have a 4 in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left now in this big square for number 6. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Well, we solve it again. Not faster than the previous Sudoku, but is this reader 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 15 minutes, otherwise it will be a 1 star. But I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it a solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.